Went from about 36 psi down to 18 on the front, 20 on the rear. We got some snow caps over there. About to head down this road and see how far I make it. Down in the Wahis at the Birds of Prey, running around the desert here, getting to some cool areas. I'm headed to the Snake River. I'll hit a power line section where I'll run that west towards Swan Falls. I'll come out there at the dam and then head pavement back home. It's Thursday, it's my day off, running around the mountains here today. My boss told me to have some fun, so I figured running around the desert was the best way to do that. Ooh, baby. I got this thing sitting on a 2.5 inch or 2 inch old man emu lift with Dobson springs in the rear. Running around the desert, man, this thing just handles plush. I got the tires aired down to about 20 psi, 18 in the front. Help soften up the ride. But it's just been a fun day wheeling down here in the desert. Blue skies, it's been cloudy the last few days, so grateful to have some sun out here. And we'll see how close I can get to that river. Getting pretty close to the Snake River. We're not too far out, maybe another mile or so, but we're just giving her the gears out here in the desert. Man, this road is fun. I'm loving the suspension setup, the tire setup. This thing just rides like a dream, baby. We're out here in the Idaho desert, running into gates. Gotta open and close them, get out of the car, stretch my legs. It's a nice little feeling. Still cruising, just rolling around the desert. Well, I made it to my destination safely. And the views are spectacular here at Swan Falls. Absolutely gorgeous. I ran the desert down, went south of the airport of Boise, went south till I hit the Snake, followed the power lines over, and it led me to here. It has just been a wonderful day of wheeling in the desert.